Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Loom account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you link or connect your Google Calendar to your Loom account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to connect your Google Calendar to your Loom account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing meetings through Loom, you know that by connecting your Google Calendar to Loom, Loom can listen in on your Google meetings. After it's listened in, it's going to summarize the meeting, and then you can even have it send out the transcript to the participants. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Loom account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Loom account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your Google Calendar, here on the left side, you're going to click on Settings. It looks like a gear icon. Once you do that, go ahead and choose the Personal or Workspace. Go ahead and click on Personal. Once you click there, you're going to see these 5 options here at the top, and you want to click here on Meeting Recordings. Okay, once you do that, you should see the Google Calendar logo right here. Go ahead and click. Okay, once you do that, Google's going to open up a browser, and go ahead and choose the Google Calendar you want to connect. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, next, Google's going to warn you that Loom is trying to get access to this calendar. If you're okay with that, click on Continue. Okay, next, Loom refreshes, and you're going to want to set this up. So first off, which type of meetings do you want Loom to record? You can do all meetings, internal meetings, or you can do what I do and click on Manually Selected. And then here you get to choose who's going to receive the notifications after the meeting. For me, I'm going to go ahead and click Just Me, and then you want to click on Finish Setup. Okay, quick second later, it processes back into my meetings. So now we have connected our Google Calendar. So any kind of meeting that you set up in the default, Loom's going to automatically record and then send out the notifications for anybody who you approved. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Google Calendar to your Loom account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.